I'm going to be making a vegetarian version of meat pies. They're high in fiber from the beans, and the zucchinis are really good at once you cook them. They break down and they kind of thicken the filling without adding extra flour. I will cook that all together, season it, let it cool. I'll make a dough, fill the pies up, by hand, and then bake them for 20 minutes. They're definitely a healthier version of the pies compared to the beef, and I honestly think they taste better.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews and Ganiki. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujewi, Ta, Torigun.
Today we are making corn and beef grain bowls. This recipe uses shredded beef. To make the shredded beef, you will need 2 pounds boneless beef roast, 1 cup of beef broth, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. In a slow cooker, add beef roast, broth, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, and black pepper. Cover with lid and cook for 2 hours on high or 3 to 4 hours on low. When the roast is done, shred using tongs or 2 forks. Now let's make corn and beef grain bowls. For this recipe, you will choose 1 grain, 1 green, 1 protein, 3 vegetables, and 1 topper. Today we chose half a cup of cooked long grain rice, 8 ounces shredded beef roast, 2 cups romaine lettuce shredded, half a cup black beans drained and rinsed, half a cup of tomato chopped, half a cup corn drained and rinsed, and a 1/4 cup low-fat shredded cheese. To your bowl, add 1 grain, 1 protein, 1 green, and 3 vegetables. Top with topper of choice. The Otoe word for corn is waduje. Corn is a staple food for most tribes. It can be eaten fresh, cooked, dried, or ground into cornmeal. Along with beans and squash, corn is often referred to as the 3 sisters. Each is planted at a certain time and near each other to build on one another for best growth. As part of the 3 sisters, corn provides a pole for beans to climb and shade for the squash growing on the ground. Growing corn meant families could stay in one place instead of following animals for food. This allowed for strong relationships with immediate and extended family. Want more vegetables? Try other vegetables like zucchini, squash, mushrooms, or celery. Want more seasoning? Try adding garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, chili powder, or paprika to your protein option. This recipe makes 2 servings. 1 serving is 2 2/3 cups each. Enjoy!